is the example of using TunnelBear on a Mac. It also comes for Windows, but it's an application you download and shows up in your toolbar. Right now I'm in Philadelphia using the raw IP address that Verizon has given me. But if I click on a pipe, in this instance Norway, and connect to it, it'll take a little time and then effectively mask my IP address. So it's going to make my internet connection seem as if it's coming from Norway. Now that it said it's connected, I can refresh this window, wait a little bit, and it should say or give me an IP address from Norway. So not only is that private, but it's also just kind of tricky. If I go to Google, Google's going to think that I am a Norwegian, as you see here, which is not a great idea since I don't know Norwegian. So I'm going to disconnect and then refresh Google. And now it is a direct connection between me and my internet service provider, which is not a good idea if you want to stay private, because your internet provider will provide also all the internet activity you've done to the government. It's also important to use the TunnelBear application, because if you do, then you can torrent, use Slack messages, and go on iTunes, all while protected.
Hello, the screen recording that I just did is for using TunnelBear on a Mac. If you would like to see TunnelBear on a Windows, I can do a quick screen recording of that too, but the premise is going to be the same, is that you want to use a VPN before you go online or before you use anything that would be tracking your behavior. One thing I don't mention is that if you use Netflix with a VPN, you're not going to be able to watch Netflix, but if that's a concern of yours, then you should probably not be reading this regardless.